Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. The coefficient of linear expansion is equal to A. Delta L is equal to alpha L delta T. B. Delta L divided by L delta T. C. L delta T divided by delta L. D. Alpha L delta T minus delta L. Answer is A. Delta L is equal to alpha L delta T. The unit of coefficient of linear expansion or volume expansion is A. K. B. K minus 1. C. K minus 2. D. None. Answer is B. K minus 1. Linear expansion occurs in A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Both, D. None. Answer is A. Solid. When body is in motion, dash always changes. A. Its velocity, B. Its acceleration, C. Its position vector, D. Its momentum. Answer is C. Its position vector. A man is in a car is moving with velocity of 36 km per hour. His speed with respect to the car is A. 10 meter per second, B. 36 meter per second, C. 0, D. Infinite. Answer is C. 0. Area under velocity time graph represent A. Force, B. Displacement, C. Distance, D. Acceleration. Answer is B. Displacement. Instantaneous and average velocities become equal when body A. has zero acceleration, B. has uniform acceleration, C. has variable acceleration, D. moves in a circle. Answer is A. has zero acceleration. Inertia of an object is quantitative measure of its A. volume, B. density, C. mass, D. temperature. Answer is C. mass. First law of motion gives the definition of A. rest, B. motion, C. velocity, D. force. Answer is D. force. Third law of motion explains A. effect of force, B. existence of a force, C. Existence of two forces. D. Existence of pair of forces in nature. Answer is D. Existence of pair of forces in nature. The dimension of force is A. MLT minus 2, B. ML2T minus 2, C. ML2T2, D. ML minus 2T minus 2. Answer is A. MLT minus 2. Which of the following pair has same direction always? A. Force displacement, B. Force and velocity, C. Force and acceleration, D. Force and momentum. Answer is C. Force and acceleration. The collision between two bodies be elastic if bodies are A. Solid and soft, B. Soft and elastic, C. Solid and hard, D. Hard and elastic. Answer is C. Solid and hard. When car takes turn around a curved road, the passengers feel a force acting on them in a direction away from the center of the curve. It is due to A. Centripetal force, B. Gravitational force, C. Their inertia, D. Centrifugal force. Answer is D. Centrifugal force.
Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.